As part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Water Resource Department organized Nambul Run 2021. The run was kick-started by YAS and Water Resource Minister Letpao Haukip from Nambonbi Bridge till Keshamthong Bridge. Water Resource Commissioner Ranjit and other department officials took part in the kick-off event. Speaking on the occasion, Letpao Haukip said that the Nambul Run was organized in view of Ganga Utsav. He further said that the runoff, which was organized under the impression, let's save Nambul until it's too late, stop pollution, save Nambul and save yourself, conserve Nambul, it will conserve you, Nambul is dying, clean it, was to create awareness among the people to maintain the river clean.
Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav ki makhada koi Ganga Utsav River Festival 2021 da Delhi da bangkokpa aduga loinana akoi gi Manipur gi Water Resources Department so Nambul Run 2021 na from Hum Bridge up to Keshamthong Bridge ki November tangmari gi si celebrate to boina masi akoi gi team di let's save Nambul until it is too late. Stop pollution, save Nambul. Conserve Nambul, it will conserve you. Nambul is dying, clean it. Nambul is alive, take care of it. Save Nambul and save yourself. I believe.